Hello guys, it's Tech to the Hand here, back with another video. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, listen up. This week, Samsung is rolling out great deals every day on some of its most popular products, and to kick it off, it's offering huge savings on the brand new Galaxy Zfold 3. The 256GB model usually lists for $1,800, and right now, for everyone, that has been cut down by $150, no strings attached. The biggest savings, however, come with an eligible trade-in. When you trade in up to 2 devices, either a phone, tablet or smartwatch, you'll receive up to $900 in credit toward a new Z Fold 3. The Z Fold 3 is a high-tech mix of phone and tablet and is a remarkable showcase of technology and innovation. It's also impressively durable. That's all for now guys, please leave a like or a comment and subscribe for more content like this.